wait for me, don't close the door yet. Oh, I can't get out, the door's closed. Open the door, please. Okay, thank you. Open the door.
Look out for a chimney!
Okay, close.
And my friend is on my cutter. On my cutter. I'm grabbing.
Do you want to drive?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go over here.
Okay.
I can look at the back. Okay, I'll open the door for you.
Is it fun, my friend? My friend, is it fun? Get out of my cutter.
Yeah, it's so fun. Look, where are we going?
We're going to the North Pole.
The North Pole? What's at the North Pole?
There's plovers and penguins.
Plovers and penguins. Penguins are the North Pole.
Where are you going, my friend?